Hello everyone. This week we are learning about the digestive system in our body. And with the digestive system, it has to do a lot with the foods we eat. And we know that when we eat food, it gives us energy. So with our activity today, you're going to need some either markers, crayons, colored pencils. I'm using black, green, red, and yellow. You can use whatever colors you'd like. You're also going to need a piece of paper. I have this one here I'm going to use. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a chart. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I just got done drawing my chart, and it looks like this. And if you can see, one column I have written low, the middle column I have written medium, if you can see that, and the other one I have written high. And I have those labeled that way because we are going to go through and write down activities that we do every day that are low energy activities, medium energy activities, and high energy activities. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write down mine for me, but take this time, go ahead, pause this video, and write down things that you do that you think are low energy, you think are medium, and you think are high. And I'll show you what mine looks like at the end. So I have accomplished my chart, and just as some tips or tricks before I show you mine, um, you can draw pictures in the columns. It should just be like a list of activities of, like, for example, that you think are low energy, medium energy, and high energy. So I wrote them down using words, and I also did some pictures just to switch it up a bit. If you can't write, just draw some pictures. That's fine too. So here's mine. I have low energies, watching TV, sweeping the floor, petting Ike, which is my brother's dog, making my bed, playing board games, ping pong, and sleep. Medium energy games is biking, cooking, walking, juggling, yoga. And high energy would be swimming, soccer, tennis, basketball, and weightlifting. Now, these are things that I wrote for me. Please, if you have some that share the qualities of mine, that's awesome, but please remember to make it unique to you and kind of what you do on your day-to-day life. Now, the next step of this activity is I want you to take a marker and I want you to circle one from each category that you are going to do this week. Now, I will say for some of them, like for example, I wrote sleep down. I'm probably not going to circle that one because I do that one every single day anyways. So instead, I think I'm going to circle sweeping. So I'm going to sweep my kitchen floor sometime this week. So that was my low one. For my medium, I think I'm going to do some yoga this week. And for my high one, I think I'm going to play tennis outside this week. Yes, as long as it doesn't snow. I might have to switch that to something else. But as for now, I'm going to try doing some tennis this week. So here's what it should look like. You have one circled in the low column, you have one circled in the medium column, and you have one circled in the high column. Sometime this week, please do your 3 activities and make sure you eat foods that are healthy and nutritious that can give you the energy to accomplish all of these things, or at least the 3 of these things. So that was fun. Thanks for joining me on that journey, and yes, have a great day. Bye.